Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today we are here for day 11 of Vlogtober. Woo! Yay for us! Alright, so this is our second week of Vlogtober, and for this week we are doing a water challenge. My challenge is to drink 64 ounces of water per day. How did I do today? Let's find out. I am actually on my third cup of this. Guess what this is? It's not beer. No, it's water. I'm actually on my third large cup of water. I'm about halfway done, and then I'll have one more, which should take me just over 64 ounces of water. So I am feeling very confident in my water intake for the day. How are you guys doing? Let me know down in the comments. I love chit-chatting with you guys about your challenges and how you feel like you are doing. So make sure you let me know. All right, let me go ahead and get my laptop out, and I'm going to find some fun facts about water to share with you. We do have Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 3 more days of this challenge, and then Thursday night, Suzy over at Suzy's Health Journey will be helping me pick the challenge for the third week of Vlogtober. I will link her channel and her Facebook group down below. Guys, if you're not a member of either one of those, please make sure you go check them out. You will not be disappointed. All right, water facts. Let's see what I can find today. It helps improve your mood. Let's see how that happens. Not getting enough water can also affect your mood. Dehydration may result in fatigue, confusion, as well as anxiety. And yeah, all 3 of those affect my mood most definitely. Looking for some weird ones that you might not think about. It helps fight off illness. Drinking enough water can help prevent certain medical conditions, which include constipation, kidney stones, exercise-induced asthma, urinary tract infections, and hypertension. Water also helps you absorb important vitamins, minerals, and nutrients from your food, which will increase your chances of staying healthy. That's interesting. That really caught my attention there. I mean, and it makes sense. You just don't think about it until somebody specifically tells you. It helps you absorb important vitamins, minerals, and nutrients from your food. And guys, that's everything. That is really big. I didn't know water did so much. I mean, I always knew how important it was, but I didn't know exactly what it did. This is crazy. I'm having a lot of fun with this one. Can you tell? Let's find a fun one. Something that we haven't talked about yet. Pretty sure y'all don't want to talk about constipation, do you? I'll tell you what, as an orthopedic nurse, I talk about poop and constipation a heck of a lot more than you would think. Really, seriously, it's a thing. Mostly related to pain medication, but still. I just never thought that I would have to talk about poop as much as I do as an orthopedic nurse. Just throwing that out there. Okay, here's one that's kind of interesting. It helps to create saliva, which doesn't sound that interesting when I say it, but let me read about this and then you'll see what I'm talking about. Water is a main component of saliva. Saliva also includes small amounts of electrolytes, mucus, and enzymes. It is essential for breaking down solid food and keeping your mouth healthy. Your body generally produces enough saliva with regular fluid intake. However, your saliva production may decrease as a result of age or certain medication therapies. If your mouth is drier than usual and increasing your water isn't helping, see your doctor. So, I mean, saliva does a lot. I mean, digestion does a lot. Saliva also has antibacterial properties, which means that it helps prevent infection. Guys, that's a lot. So saliva is so important. I could just do like a whole little conversation about that. So, and I mean, it seems common sense that water promotes saliva production, but it's just another part of water's importance that I never thought about until it was right in front of my face. So, have any of you guys been able to look online yet to find an interesting water fact to share with us? I'm loving this. Like I just said, it's been really interesting so far. But anyways, I won't keep you. We are going on 6 minutes, and I try to keep these Vlogtober videos short. So short and sweet, and usually not to the point, but I get some kind of a point across. All right, guys, if you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my videos and encourages them to promote them so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. Speaking of YouTube families, guys, if you're not a member of mine, I would love to have you. Please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. I am currently doing an 800 subscriber giveaway. I will link that down below for you guys. So please make sure you go check it out. And we are, I think the last time I checked, 7 subscribers away from an 850 subscriber giveaway. So if you're not subscribed, please consider hitting that button. If you know anybody who enjoys chaos as much as we do, please feel free to share my videos. I would absolutely love it. All right, guys, I gotta get going. I gotta get this video uploaded so you can see it before you go to bed. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Make sure you drink your water. Drink your water, and I will check in with you tomorrow. Bye.